trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan. The mnemonics that we can remember them by for sine are SOH. That means sine x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. For cos, CAH. Cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan, TOA, tan of the angle x is equal to opposite over adjacent. What this means is adjacent, we talk about the angle x over here. Adjacent is the arm of the triangle which is making up the angle. This is the side opposite to the angle, and this is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Adjacent and opposite, very important to remember, because that way we can figure out the trigonometric ratios for whatever triangle we are given. The triangle has to be right angled, and you should be very clear about which side is the opposite of the angle and which side is the adjacent of the angle. I'll repeat the mnemonics once more. Sine SOH, cos CAH, and tan TOA. In sine and cos, we have the hypotenuse as the denominator, whereas for tan, we just have the opposite and the adjacent. Tan is the only ratio which does not include the hypotenuse. So, points to remember. And let's do a question. We have a right angle triangle in which we have to find y. The angle 35 is given. In this triangle, this side is the adjacent, the arm of the triangle which makes up the angle. This side is the opposite. We have opposite and adjacent. So, which trigonometric ratio are we going to use in this case? Opposite and adjacent. It's going to be tan. Let's write down our ratio. It is going to be the tan of the angle given. Tan 35 degrees will be equal to opposite over adjacent, or tan 35 will be equal to y over 12. Solving it, we're just going to cross multiply this 12 over here because we don't need it over here. It is the denominator over here. When it moves to the other side, it becomes multiplied with the 12 multiplied by tan 35. We use a calculator to work it out, and the value turns out to be 8.40.